Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Petroapp and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Petroapp is a fuel and fleet management app designed to simplify refueling, monitor fuel consumption, and streamline transactions for both individual drivers and fleet owners. It supports digital fuel payments at partnered petrol pumps, tracks mileage, and offers insights into fuel expenses. Some versions also integrate RFID technology for contactless fuel authorization and fraud prevention. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is easy to navigate, with a clean interface that provides quick access to refueling history and real-time balance updates. Users appreciate the convenience of digital payments, automated invoice generation, and GPS-based station discovery. For fleet managers, features like driver-wise fuel tracking and expense reports are particularly valuable. That said, there are a few concerns. Some users report occasional syncing issues or transaction delays at certain fuel stations. The app's full potential is mostly available only in areas with partnered pumps, which can limit functionality for some. Additionally, a few users have noted that customer support response times could be improved. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like. It helps a lot. In summary, Petroapp is a smart solution for managing fuel expenses and refueling digitally, especially for those who operate vehicles regularly or manage fleets. With strong features and decent reliability, it's a useful tool. Just be aware of coverage limitations and potential service delays. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.